Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Pocket to save articles for later LinkedIn sharing. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Navigate to the Pocket website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner. You'll see options to log in with various accounts. Choose the login method that works for you. If you prefer email, enter your email address and click Login. Check your inbox for a confirmation email. Follow the link in the email to complete the login process. If you opted for a social media login, click on the appropriate icon. Enter your credentials for that social media account. Once logged in, you will be directed to your Pocket homepage. To save articles, find content you wish to save. Copy the URL of the article. Return to your Pocket page. Paste the URL in the designated area. Click the Save button. Your article will now be saved for later reading. To share the saved article on LinkedIn, navigate to your Pocket list. Select the article you want to share. Click on the Share button. Choose LinkedIn from the sharing options. Add any comments you wish to include with your post. Click Post to share the article on your LinkedIn profile. Congratulations! You've successfully logged into Pocket and saved articles for later LinkedIn sharing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.